How's it going, guys? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company. Today we're coming at you with another quick juice review, so let's get started.
Are you listening? Damn.
On this particular juice review, we are reviewing a fresh pressed flavor. This guy is Honeycomb Berries. If you watched one of these videos before, awesome. If you haven't watched one of these videos before, let me give you a quick breakdown of how it's gonna go. We're going to start with the flavor profile, then I'm gonna let you know about what temperature I recommend to get the best flavor out of this juice, and then I'll let you know where this juice fits into my personal flavor rotation. Is it an all-day vape? Is it a dessert vape? Where does it kind of fit in there? I'll let you know at the very end. But let's get started with the flavor profile. The citrus notes that I get from this honeycomb berries, which is supposed to be kind of a berry lemonade with just a hint of honey in it, very similar to the Boss. The berry flavors are spot on. They're fantastic. They're not too sweet or candy tasting. They're nice and smooth and sweet, but not too sweet. And then the citrus notes that I get off of the lemonade are fantastic. They're brought down a little bit by the honey notes that are in there, so they're not too cutting, they're not too sharp, but they're nice and crisp, and you can definitely pick it out as a lemonade flavor right off the bat, even if you were just smelling it as someone walked by and they were vaping it. So I definitely recommend this if you're into lemonade flavors, or even if you're just into candy flavors or sweeter flavors. It's not overbearing in any way, and it's really nice and smoothed out. The honey is a really nice touch. I do have to say that the honeycomb idea was perfect. It's exactly what they needed to do for this flavor. It makes it really nice, especially with the salt nicks. The salt nicks can get a little bit throaty. This particular salt nick flavor, not too throaty. The honey really helps bring that down and help make it super manageable. A nice throat hit, but not overbearing. In terms of temperature for this particular flavor, a little bit harder to say. This flavor, I would say, works at a range of temperatures, but probably in the medium to high range would be best. I'd personally recommend you start high and then go low to find the flavor, or to find the temperature that works best for you. But I would say that it would fit in anywhere in the spectrum. You can probably find a comfortable and tasty vape for yourself at any temperature, any wattage, really, with this flavor. I think it works very well. Now, where does this fit in on my personal spectrum of juices? I would say this particular juice is an all-day vape. Easy, just clear cut, this is an all-day vape. It's not too sweet, it's not savory, it's interesting. The honey, like I said, really makes this flavor super smooth and tasty. The citrus notes are perfect. The raspberry notes, slightly citrusy and really nice and sweet, but again, not too sharp, not too sweet, just overall super well-rounded and a super tasty vape. So I would consider it an all-day vape, and I definitely recommend you give this vape a try. Now, this flavor is a little bit different because it does come in the higher nicotines as well. We've got this flavor in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, or 6 milligram. Again, that's salt nicotine, not freebase. And then we also have it in the little 15 mil bottles in a 12 or a 24 milligram. Again, still salt nic. So awesome for pods, RDAs, tanks, anywhere in between. You can find a milligram and a size of bottle that works for you in this particular flavor, and I definitely recommend you give that a try. If you like this video and you're watching it on YouTube, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Blackhouse Vapor Company's YouTube channel. If you're watching this on our website and you see that product up above you, hopefully it gave you the information necessary to make a decision about whether or not this flavor is going to be good for you. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you next time, and have a fantastic day.
Are you listening?